kaibigan, mga kamakailan lamang nauso mga mini hospital sa loob ng mall. Etong mini hospital na to, isa sa mga favorite ko dahil dati nung nasa EDSA Plus, doon banda ako nakatira sa mga wakwak. Dito ako pumupunta sa Shangri-La. Ito po kasama namin ngayon si Miss Daisy Garcia, ang marketing manager ng Healthway.
One morning, Miss Daisy.
One morning, Jen and Shang.
Okay, ako kilala ko na rin yung Healthway kasi dyan ako pumupunta dati. Nasa loob mismo ng mall, very convenient. Pag naghihintay, pwedeng maglakad-lakad, di ba? Okay, pero kahit sa small clinic siya, Jem, small but terrible. Kasi lahat ng kailangan, halos lahat ng kailangan ng mga doktor, nandun na talaga.
Mini hospital na tawag ko.
Actually, hindi na nga siya small kasi medyo malalaki na rin yung clinic namin inside our 6 major malls. So we're basically mall-based outpatient clinic inside major malls.
Kapag sinabi nating Healthway, ano ba ang difference ng Healthway sa lahat ng mga ibang mall-based mini hospitals?
Una, we're inside major malls. So, since fast-paced nga yung life natin, no, we don't have to wait dun sa loob ng clinic while, having our lab test. So, we can text you if it's near your turn. You have this number, WOW H-Way. You just give us your number and then iti-text namin kayo, sir, you can go around muna the mall, do your shopping,
nangyari sa akin. Yun yung pinakagusto ko eh.
Yeah, and then iti-text na lang kayo, sir, it's your turn na po, so doctor is here na. So that's a good thing. We have a program for that.
Kasi the waiting is the one that really kills you, sitting down in the hospital and like
baka mas
just
magkasakit ka pa sa kakahintay kasi
diba?
Gutom ka na, diba?
And then you're getting depressed, you're looking at other people, like, let's say if it's ENT, they're all like coughing around you and you're just like, mas mabuti pa nga
light environment.
And the good thing is, mas lesser yung virus and bacteria since kasi hindi siya talaga hospital, nasa loob tayo ng clinic. So, kumpleto naman tayo doon. Usually, lesser talaga yung mga virus and exposure to viruses.
Okay, let's talk about the clinics that we can find there. Alam ko, gynecologist meron dyan. Meron akong gynecologist dyan eh. Ano pa?
Lahat ng specializations like cardio. Actually, pagpunta mo doon, para ka nang nasa hospital. Andun na lahat. So, we have ENT, allergologist, OB-GYN, kung may problems ka sa heart. We have cardio, pedja sa mga kids, derma, dental.
In fact, I was telling her, dati kasi nagka-kidney stone, so doon ako nagpapa-urine sample, urine test, gano'n. Pero ang pinaka-favorite para sa akin, ang nagpa-flu shot, nagpa-flu vaccine ako.
Yes.
Kasi ever since nagpa-flu vaccine ako, I rarely would get sick.
Parang yun yung kailangan ko ngayon. Paiba-iba yung weather. Okay, but what about Sundays? Kasi ako yung nahihirapan ako pag hospital eh. Pag Sundays, wala na talagang doctor. Pag Sundays, the mall is open. Is Healthway also open?
The good thing is we're open Monday to Sunday. So, usually nga kasi weekend, diba, nasa shopping tayo, grocery and family day. So, while the other family nag-grocery or nag-shopping, we can go to Healthway and have our check-up. Doctors are all there. So, kung kailangan pa-dentist or pa-check-up, kasi parang medyo, lalo ngayon uso yung mga tonsillitis because of the weather, pwede tayong pumunta doon. So, okay, mall hours, di ba, it's 10 o'clock. Okay. But we're open as early as 8 in the morning. 8 to 8. 8 to 10. Okay.
Ano nga yung meron tayong mga card, di ba, at mga promo dyan sa Healthway. Paki-discuss naman ako.
Yung card, the good thing is we have unlimited check-up for 1 whole year. Meron tayong mga alagang Healthway card, the amount is just 800, and then unlimited checkup na siya for 1 whole year. And then you get discounts sa laboratory and diagnostics. So, and sa mga specialists like nabanggit ko kanina, cardio and OB, they get flat rate of 400 pesos.
See, not bad at all. At least wala nang mga additional. Diba? Usually, kasi
yun na lang dala mo,
depende
diba?
sa konsulta, 400
Actually, marami akong alam, ginagawa nila. Pag kailangan na talaga, doon na sa nag-hospital. Pero yung mga basic check-up, doon na mismo sa mall. Less hassle, diba?
So we can have complete check-up like yung mga, we have this card, executive check-up. Talagang detalyado yung test doon, laboratory. So lahat malalaman talaga kung, first naman talaga is we want preventive care. So, at least bago pa magkasakit, malaman na natin. So, yun talaga yung goal namin. It's more of yung preventive.
At kagilan yun pati plastic surgery pwede na.
Meron din doon. May mga friend tayong doktor doon. Anyway, thank you so much. Tingin namang card.
Thank you so much, Miss Daisy.
Thank you.
Telephone numbers quickly?
Yes, you can reach us at 75183 or 7514929, or you can log on to our website. It's www.healthway.com.ph.
At mga kaibigan, if you want to text pala your comments para sa hot issue, you can text us at 0908 0908-466-7226. Ayan.
0908-466-7226. Alright, 7:05 na po ng umaga. Tuloy ang usapang Women Empowerment. Magbabalik ng
One Morning.